Hey everyone, welcome to the Whaler channel. Today I'll show how to change IP address on Windows 11 10 8 7. It works on all Windows versions generally. Alright, first let's go to Internet Settings, open Network Settings, then Adapter Settings, and select your active adapter. It should be the one without an X. Click on Properties. Select IPv4 Properties and we'll work here. Next, open Command Prompt and type ipconfig, then hit Enter. Now, we'll choose these options here and here. Enter 4 8s in this field. Below, type 8.8.4.4 and above your IP without the last digits. Enter 0, then your subnet mask and default gateway below. Zero and 1. There. Here you can enter any number you want. Let's say 132. That's it. This was Whaler. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.